All right. Now we're going to take a look at dividing a polynomial, poly meaning many, nomial meaning term, by a monomial, mono meaning one, nomial meaning term. So we have a polynomial divided by a monomial. And the only thing that can get a little tricky on this one is making sure that you remember that everything inside the polynomial must be divided by the monomial. If you stick to that idea, you are going to do just fine. So let's take a look at our first problem. We have 16y minus 2 divided by 2. And remember I said we have to divide everything in the numerator, the polynomial, by the denominator, the monomial. So what is 16y divided by 2? Sam? 8y. All right. And that is not the pen. What is negative 2 divided by 2? Negative 1. Now, can I combine anything from here?
No.
No. I am just done. It really is that simple. Let's take a look at our second problem. Here we have 28pq minus 35p, and we're dividing it by 7p. And we have to remember that we have to divide everything in the numerator by the denominator. So we're going to divide 28pq by 7p. Well, what is 28 divided by 7?
4.
4. pq divided by p? It's q. Oh, it's the proverbial 4q.
Your Q's are
Say it
awesome.
5 times fast to yourself in your head.
Proverbial.
Proverbial 4Q.
The 4 and the q. All right.
Proverbial.
Oh, I get it.
Oh, I get it. All right. So it's repeating.
Like 4. I get it.
All right.
Okay.
So now that we're done with that,
you.
right? All right. So negative. We'll wait. I know it's very exciting. Yeah. Yeah. Henry's like, oh my God, please,
Kids
can we
watching
just
this
move
would
on?
be like, 4Q. I'm done.
All right. So Henry, negative 35p divided by 7p is. So, okay, and p divided by p is 1. It's 1. Okay. All right. Next problem.
He bet himself.
We have 4x to the 5th divided by negative 2x squared.
Negative 8.
Oh, negative 8, because we subtracted the exponent. Perfect. Negative 8x to the 3rd. All right. Somebody new, a new voice, maybe in the back table over by Miss Luff. Negative 24x to the 3rd y divided by 2x squared is, Otto?
It is 12xy.
12xy. And you got that because negative 24 divided by negative 2 is?
12.
Is that positive or negative 12?
Positive.
Okay, so I'm going to add the positive sign here. X to the 3rd divided by x squared is x, all right. Y divided by, well, nothing, all right. And then finally, this last one here, 10x squared y squared divided by 2x squared is going to be what, Abdu?
Negative 5x y squared.
Okay, you just paused. Why did you just pause?
Because I think I did something wrong.
Okay, so what did you think you did wrong? And doing things wrong happens all the time. I mean, I realize I am perfect and I never make an error, but other people I hear make errors. Yeah, and now you're laughing. Very nice. All right.
Well, I mean,
So,
one.
x squared divided by x squared. 1. Oh, it's just 1. All right. And then y squared divided by just plain old nothing, or 1, and you get? Okay, hold on a second. Y squared divided by no other y's is going to be what, Sam? Y squared, okay. All right. Are there questions?
Yes.
Well, it's not 4 divided by -2 equals
4 divided by negative 2 does not equal negative 8.
It does not, does it?
Yeah. Joey is like a, what is this,
That
like a weird
happens.
2 or like what is that? Never
Alright.
making mistakes, huh?
All right.
Smartest person on the
Hey, listen, I just wrote what you all said.
That means you.
So what's wrong with it? Well, I'm waiting for you. I'll wait. I'll wait. So you're telling me that 4 divided by negative 2 is not negative 8?
Yeah.
You are. So what should it be? Negative 2. All right. So,
We're not multiplying here.
right, we're not multiplying. Remind me never to take advice from that person again. All right.
Who was that?
It's all right. It's all right.
Damien.
And what you don't realize is 8 is Damien's football number, so that's what he's trying to get there. Nice job. All right. So, are there any questions thus far?
It's like if we didn't have the American key.
Okay. Great. So this time, I'd like you to take a shot at these two problems. We have, in our first problem, 16a plus 20b divided by 4. And in our second problem, we have 12p to the 4th q minus 8. There's your negative 8 there, Damien. P to the 3rd q squared plus 18 p squared q to the 3rd. And we're dividing that whole thing by negative 2p squared q. Go ahead, give that a shot with your partner. If you're at home, I want you to try to figure that out at home. And then once you're done, unpause the video and see if you did it right. All right, so 16a plus 20b divided by 4 is what? Tacola?
That would be 4q. Wait, what? 4a minus 5
Minus 5
plus 5.
plus
Wow.
5. But what happened to this b
Well,
here?
the wrong problem. Sorry.
5B.
5b.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do I have a volunteer that can help us out with this division problem? Josie?
The first one I did was 12 divided by negative 2.
Okay, hold on a second. I cannot hear Josie. Josie again.
So I did 12 divided by negative 2, which was negative 6. And then I did p to the 4th divided by p to the 2nd, which was p to the 2nd.
Okay.
And then I did q to the 2nd divided by q, which was q.
Okay. And in this case, it's just q divided by q, which is 1. Okay? All right. Do I have a taker for this piece, the middle piece right here? Going once, going twice. Sold. Johnny.
4 plus
Okay.
4e. Thank you.
Okay. And then finally, our last piece, Otto. Right here.
I got negative 9 q to the 2nd.
Well, p squared divided by p squared is?
1.
It's 1. Okay, so we have no p's. And then
Q.
q to what power? Q to the 2nd. Okay. All right.